Morning, dear students. This is EVS period and we have completed the lesson Storage of Water. So it's time to write questions and answers. Storage of water, questions and answers. Answer in short. Why should we store the water? We get water from the rain. The rainy season lasts only for 3 to 4 months. Along with us, all living things use water all year round. So everybody on this earth requires water for daily needs. Therefore, to get enough water for our daily needs, we should store the water. What were the traditional ways of storing water in the house? People used to store the water in big pots of clay or metal. As well, every house used to have a drawell or a tank called as haud in their backyard. So children, though the drawell or the haud were built up in backyard, they were used for the house purposes or they were used for household things. And so the drawell and haud are also the different ways of storing water in old days. What is a dam built on? A dam is built on a river. What must we keep in mind while using water? We must keep in mind that water is a natural resource and all living things need water. So we must use the water carefully and we should not waste it. What is water pollution? See, the answer is given in 3 points. First point, the harmful chemicals from different industries are thrown in the rivers. People throw the garbage in the rivers or the lakes. Some people bathe in the rivers as well. They wash their clothes and animals into it. Because of all this, water becomes polluted. This is called water pollution. Children, you are supposed to write all 3 points. Okay? And it's time to do the homework. What good habits must we cultivate in order to use water economically? Okay, so what is the meaning of the question? What good habits we must inculcate to use the water economically? Okay, so the habits are, see, first 2 habits I have given. Third habit and fourth habit you are going to write on your own. So first one is, don't keep the tap open while brushing your teeth. Second, if we see a roadside tap is open, then we must close it. Third one, you are going to write on your own. And even fourth one, you are going to write on your own. Okay, children, please write all question answers and do your homework. Thank you.